What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Hulk from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the inside edge of the brow. We're going to start with a curve from left to right. We're going to go up in the middle and then back down. Now from the ends we're just going to bend the brow coming in and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the bottom edge of the brow going up and then bend it out. And then do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to angle the eyebrow going up and then in towards the top. And I'll bend this in and then down towards the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. From this point we're going to step in, draw a half circle, going all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and just pull that towards the inside of the brow. Let's draw the outside edge of the pupil. We're going to step in, curve this around, and then in towards the bottom of the eyes. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose with a curve coming down and up. Step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now just underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve for the mouth, coming down and up. And we'll bend this out and then down towards the corners of the mouth. Let's tuck the mouth up and then in underneath the top. And then on either side, draw two straight lines to separate the teeth. And it'll fill the bottom corners. Let's add a curve along the bottom of the lower lip. Now I move to the outside and draw the outside edge of the head. From the top of the brow, we're going to step up and out. Give the head a slight bend going out and then down towards the jaw. Line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. Now we're going to round out the jaw, come down underneath the chin, across and then back up. Let's sink in the cheekbones. On the left, come in and then down on either side. Let's go to the outside of the head and draw the ears, going up, around, and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ears. Now let's draw the edge of the hairline. Starting over on the left, we're going to bend this in and then down. Add a strand of hair going out and down, go up and in towards the middle. Let's go out and down on the right side and then back up. And we'll curve the top of the hairline going towards the right. Now we're going to draw the top of the hair. Starting from this point, bend this around and up and in. Add a point. Go up and then down. Now it's going to work our way across towards the right. Bend this across and up, higher in the middle, and then down. I'm just going to repeat this all the way across, bending this in opposite directions. Let's add one small point on the right, coming down toward the top corner of the head. Now we're going to draw the outside edge of the hairline. Stepping in, bend this out and then down. Go out and then down toward the side of the head. Now we're going to go back and enhance the brow. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend this up and then out on either side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip, and then line this up on the right. And we'll round out the hip, coming down and then up. Let's move up, draw another curve for the top edge of the belt. Now we're going to go to the chin, draw a straight line coming down to separate the chest, and then across the center, add a curve along the bottom. Let's add in that buckle. Leaving a gap in the center, and goes down and out on either side. Come down and then in towards the bottom. Now in the center, we'll draw an upside down triangle. Let's add two curves on either side, coming in towards the buckle. along the top of the belt, we're just going to fold the top edge of the pant. We're going to start on the end, and it's up and down. Just going to add a couple points going up towards the buckle. And the same thing on the right. Now let's go back to the buckle, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go over toward the left side, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, bend the right leg, going out and down towards the same height. Now I want to round up the heel, come across the foot, and then up towards the first toe. Let's add in that first toe. And draw almost like a circle with an open end on the inside. Let's add 2 more toes on the outside. And then in between the last 2 toes, curve the foot going up and then in. Let's go back up to the hips, bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's tear the bottom edge of the pant. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up and then down, and a small one, and work our way towards the inside of the legs. Let's add a tear on the left side of the leg, going up and then down, then back out. Let's add one over on the right side. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip. We're going to start right here. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrists. And then from the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to give our character some large hands. So we're going to start underneath the thumb with the first finger. We're going to come down, across and up. Go to the side, there in the second finger, going up. And then the third finger, I'm going to blend this into the arm, going up and then in towards the jaw. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Hulk from Marvel Rivals. Sign up to our VIP club mailing list to get early access to Sketch Saturday and other exclusive perks. I'll leave the link in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.